What's up, YouTube? It's cralisa Victoria back with another video. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. If you've already been subscribed, thanks for coming back. So in this video, I'm doing a quick, mini, simple clean with me video. It's not an extensive clean with me video. It's just simply cleaning off my bathroom sink countertops. So I like to go ahead and put everything away. Once I manage to put everything away, I go ahead and give typically my counter a wipe down. So at this moment, you just see me actually putting everything away right now that should not be on the counter or needs to be put up. So then I'm going to go in and I'm going to wipe down the counters. I'm going to scrub out the sink. I'm going to do all of that jazz, Windex the windows, and just basically get my bathroom sink back approachable for the morning time. So then later on tonight, I will be doing a sweep and a hot Fabuloso mop in the bathroom. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a clean with me video in a while, but if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I shall see all of you lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people in my next video. Later.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2